Are your Jira defects a little too comfortable? Let's find out how long those pesky bugs are sticking around and how to get their defect age right inside your Jira. This metric helps you identify project bottlenecks, prioritize fixing the bugs, and boost software quality. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira instance and have access to the project where your defects are tracked. Look for the Search Issues function. It could be in the menu or a search bar. Now you'll want to enter your JQL Jira query language. It retrieves specific issues. Begin selecting your bugs type. Issue type equals out, which focuses the search on the bugs only. Then type project equals your project name. Finally, click the search button so you'll see your bugs with the right settings. Okay, now we have our bugs, but we don't have defect age. That's what we're fixing. Jira doesn't automatically calculate this, so we'll use a plugin or custom field. Many plugins available within the Jira marketplace can automatically calculate defect age for you. Search for defect age or time in status and you'll find options. Next, download and install the app into Jira using your administrator's permission and follow the app's guidelines. After installation of your app, you'll need to configure it by linking it to your bug project. This would typically involve going to the app settings and specifying the project or projects where defect age tracking is desired. Now, when you re-enter your search query, your bugs will now have a new column, defect age. You should be able to see how long each bug stayed in its various statuses, like open, testing, and resolved. And there you have it. Use this information to improve your bug resolution times and overall project efficiency.